Hi everyone, welcome back to Beer and Boxes. I am Kim, and today we are opening up this Stitch Fix box. Before I do jump into it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. I have 40 subscribers. That doesn't seem like a lot, but I'm pretty proud of it. So go ahead and subscribe if you like this video. Today, it's like maybe, is it 10 o'clock? I don't know. It's 10 o'clock and I don't want to drink beer. And I don't have to because I just don't have to. So I'm just drinking this guy while filming. Black raspberry flavored sparkling water. It's in a off-brand, like a store brand. Usually I think it's Ice is the name of it, but it's really, really good and I love them. They don't have any calories, not that I care, but they don't have any calories. And I'm sure there's like tons of artificial sweetener in here though, because it tastes really sweet. But those are what I'm gonna be drinking instead of a beer, because I'm tired. So this month, the box is kind of thin, like as you can see. What could you fit in this guy? Let's find out. Alright. Okay, so we've got return mail bag. Looks like some jewelry. Sounds like necklaces. So this is our burrito. And I think they found as a theme that I tend to purchase all of the flowers, flower patterns. So this looks like bright and cheery. Okay, so Kivia? So I don't know if you can tell, but this is kind of cheap looking to me. But there's like a teeny bar necklace. There's this guy, this one, this one, this one. And it's your everyday necklace, girls' night necklace, date night, mix and layer, and weekend necklace. And it's a really cute idea, but I feel like I'd rather have one like nice quality necklace rather than 5 cheap, just like, I don't know, like Claire's necklaces. So that's this one. It's my first of 5 items. And I did pay $20 for the styling fee. So if I do like anything, that $20 will go towards whatever I buy. These look like shorts. They're like linen shorts. And they are kind of, I thought they were mustardy, but they're actually more like a tanny type. And they've got these like little tulipy things right here on the sides. So they're very linen-esque shorts. Yeah. And they are taupe tippy printed tulip hem shorts. So that makes sense. And I think these are size, what's a medium? Yeah, size medium. We must run big, because they do adjust your sizes depending on like how big styles run, which is really nice, because usually I'm a large. This next shirt, I really like the look of already. It's a mustard flower cold shoulder shirt. And it looks like it's a quarter-length sleeved with ties. So that's actually really cute. I'm going to back up my camera so you can see a little bit more. So that is this one. And I like that a lot. It's from Olive and Oak. And it's just the Evening Off shoulder knit top in mustard. It's like very, the flowers are peachy. They're just cute. So that was the third item. And then this, it's almost very similar to the shorts. So this seems to be a dress. It's like a mid-length dress. It's kind of like a sheathy type style. and like jersey. but it is Kylie Athene brushed knit dress in mustard. So again, another mustard. And it's very similar striping as the short, like the tulip shorts. Let me compare. Don't you think that's a little weird that they'd send something so similar and so much of the color? I must have went hard on the mustard in my Pinterest because they do look at them. This is different though. It is the Collective Concepts teal green Morena cold shoulder dress, and it's very cute. I don't know how close you can tell, but it's really adorable, and I do like this color. So it's got this little tie and then the cold shoulder with these little tassels that you wear like that. How cute is that? Little ruffly action. We're gonna try all this stuff on. I didn't shave my legs, so I'm not gonna zoom in on those shorts, but you'll get a sneak peek. I don't think that I like this dress, but you guys let me know how you feel. I like this concept here, but I feel like it's really wide open on the shoulders, and I feel a little bit, I don't know if mustard is my color with this cream because my skin tone, but here it is. So that's the first item. I'm not trying the shorts on. I mean, I did try the shorts on and I got them up to like halfway at my calves. Not my calves, my thighs. They're too small. So definitely sending those striped tulip shorts back, the linen ones. I don't know if it was a mistake that they sent me that size, but they don't fit me. So that was an easy choice on that side. Okay, so here is the cold shoulder flowered turquoise dress. I had to get my husband to zip it up all the way and tie it. There's a lot going on with this one. So it has these straps and then the flare sleeves that just kind of hang down, and then it zips all the way up, and then there's another tie right here. So it's kind of hard to put on. I feel very pretty in this dress, like a little feminine lady, but my husband said that it looks like an accident because it's kind of just like cut weird, like it cuts right here and goes all the way over, and it just kind of looks a little silly. It's not super noticeable because of all the flare, but it just like there's this spot, it cuts across and then up. So I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of weird like that, but you could also, there's so much going on that you might not notice it. But I think it's pretty. It might be a little short for me. I feel like I'm trying to be younger than what I am in the length of this dress. I'll show you a little bit closer. Okay. But if he never would have said anything about this, I wouldn't have noticed. But now that's all I can think about. It's like, who hemmed you? Why did they do that? This one got the A-okay from my husband. He said it was pretty. And he goes, don't you have a shirt like this? I'm like, no, I have no mustard shirts. But he thinks that I have all the mustard shirts in the world, apparently. So this is the off-the-shoulder mustard flowery dress, or flowery shirt, with the quarter-length sleeves and the tie. I'm not sure, like, this keeps sliding up. How do you keep it? You just like put it halfway down your body. But then when I do that, it kind of like just makes this big area where it doesn't really do anything for my chest. Granted, I'm not wearing the most, I'm wearing a nursing bra, so let's ignore that aspect of the situation. Here is it with my jeans. This is probably how I would wear it anyways. Maybe now, maybe now. Wow, it just makes my boobs look like Mrs. Doubtfire. I don't know. The more I look at this, the more I hate it. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then these little things here. It's pretty. I'm back. I really don't want to spill that on my carpet. All right. So let's get to the prices on these 5 items. Oh. Okay, so the cold shoulder green teal Morena dress, this guy, for if you forgot, is $74. It felt like a very nice quality, but the construction of it was questionable. All right, so we're gonna also look at the Kylie Athen brushed knit dress. That was the yellow striped one, the first one I tried on. This one is this is more affordable. It's $48. And I actually liked this more than I thought I would because it's so comfy. And then we have the Kivia 5-piece necklace set, which I lost. No, I've got it. Which was this one. This is $38, so it's almost $40 for this. Pass, hard pass. Okay, and then the shorts, these tulip shorts, the linen tibby printed tulip hem shorts, these are $58. $58. These are $60 shorts. No. And then Olive and Oak, that was the one that my husband said was okay. Or he didn't say it was okay, he said it was pretty. But he said, do you need mustard shirts? This one is $48, which is more, which is a nicer price. So altogether, the total would be $266. With the 25% discount, if you buy everything, it would bring it down to $199.50 minus my style credit of $20 is $179.50. So that's what I would pay like right now if I bought everything, which they make you feel like it's only $179, but it is $199.50 because you're paying that $20. But they're smart for doing that. So I will have to think on it, mull it over. I usually like to keep these for one day because if I try to make a decision the same day, then I have regrets. Like one time I sent some items back and then I had regrets and I asked them to send them back to me. We'll decide tomorrow what we're gonna keep. I do like to keep at least one thing because I'm paying $20 already, but I don't wanna just keep something just because. So I'll think about it. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. Be honest. Don't lie to me, people. And if you enjoyed the unboxing of Stitch Fix, go ahead and subscribe and like this video so I know to make more in the future. I've noticed that the clothing unboxing videos are more popular on my channel, and by more popular I mean like 40 more views because I don't have anybody watching right now. So I might do a little bit more clothing if that's everybody's fancy. Otherwise, I'm gonna go to bed after I drink the rest of this delicious sparkling beverage.